Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Thank you so much. Aitada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop iChannel. We are here at Lucas Muripe Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 7. Siwelele for my brother. How's it?
Khamba kanjani mfowethu?
Sharp, thanks man. We want to game namhlanje.
Hayi game bimnandi kakhulu. First of all ngifuna congratulate i-Sundowns for winning the game.
Yeah.
Kodwa into engimangalisayo bawinile igame kodwa bajabulanga. So into eyenzekayo manje igame like iligi ikwelinye izinga.
Yenye level yeah.
And then iPirates kuzomela idlale manje. Like let me confirm this elangeni namhlanje kuyi9 iligi ihambile.
Shokanje.
Iligi ihambile ngoku.
Ye Tlhoroko.
Iligi ye-Amstel Orlando.
Oh, Arena.
Yeah, ye-Amstel Orlando. And then enye into engithusayo abadlali be-Sundowns sine majority of them, they are so many abadlala kubafana bafana. Kodwa izinto abazenzayo like zi-snacks starting from ukeeper upasela ama-player uNdamane udlala noma kanjani, uyabona ukhulisa umndawo bampraise bonke abantu, kodwa like mina ukhulisa ngimboni ngendlela adlala ngayo uzomthola avala, so onke ama-player uyawavala, yabona. So like mina iswelele ngiyasibonga, iswelele ngiyasibonga, like ngiyaphakamisa kuswelele. They lose the game kodwa they fought, they promised us ukuthi bazolwa, and then they've done the best.
Number one.
Yeah.
Sabon Fit. Okay.